With the 11th example, and what is said here in this example, a box weighing 2000 Newton is to be slowly slid through 20 meter on a straight track. Okay, so this is being the box which has to be slid through a distance of 20 meter along the straight track, which is having a coefficient of friction of 0.2. So while sliding, the friction will act on this mu into n. The weight of the block is 2000 Newton mg. Find the work done by the person pulling the box with a chain at an angle theta. Okay, so the chain is being pulled at an angle theta. Okay, so first of all, if you see the wordings of this question, the blocks is to be slid slowly. The blocks is to be slid slowly. It means what? The tension must balance the frictional force. That is, work done by frictional force and work done by tension must be equal and opposite. Then and only then the block will slid slowly. That is, almost it will be in a state of rest always. So if I draw the FBD of the block, so this is the component of tension T cos theta which is doing work. This is the component of tension T sin theta, and that is the maximum frictional force mu into n, and this is weight 2000 Newton. Here as T is not directly given to us, but one thing is we are sure that T cos theta must be equal to 0.2 into n, because the box has to slid slowly. That is, every time it should be in a state of rest, while the normal reaction will be equal to T sin theta. Here in order to find the normal reaction, 2000 minus T sin theta must be equal to the reaction from surface. So therefore, in order to find n, I can say T sin theta is equal to 2000 minus n. So from equation 1 and 2, I can find the angle theta here. I can find the angle theta and normal reaction here. So if I divide them, T sin theta upon T cos theta would be equal to 2000 minus n upon 0.2 n. This T and this T get cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta would be tan theta, and this will come here. So it will be 0.2 n tan theta is equal to 2000 minus n. Okay, I will write this 0.2 as 1 by 5. So n tan theta 1 by 5 is equal to 2000 minus n, and I can find the value of n here. So let's check the next page. So n into tan theta would be equal to 10,000, that is 5 into 2000, minus 5n. So I can say here, as I have multiplied n, this 5 will go there, it becomes 5 2s are 10, and it will be 10,000 minus 5n. Okay, so this 5n will come here, it becomes n tan theta plus 5n is equal to 10,000. So I can say n is equal to 10,000 upon tan theta plus 5. Now the work done by the man is nothing but force into displacement, but as it is said earlier that the T cos theta is nothing but mu 0.2 times of n into 20. So it will be 0.2 into n is 10,000 into 20. This is divided by tan theta plus 5. Now if you multiply, so 0.2 into 20 would be 4, and that comes out to be 40,000 upon 5 plus tan theta. And that is the answer to the first question, work done by the man on the box in pulling it through 20 meters. While in the second part of the question, what is asked in the second part of the question, find the work when the person has chosen value of theta which ensures him minimum magnitude of force. Okay, so here for minimum magnitude of pulling force, theta must be equal to angle of friction that we have studied in friction topic. It should be equal to angle of friction, that is tan theta equal to mu. So in this equation substitute the value of tan theta as mu. So work done will be equal to 40,000 divided by 5 plus tan theta, that is mu, which is 0.2. So it will be 40,000 divided by, okay, so that comes out to be 5.2. So 40,000 divided by 5.2, that comes out to be 7691 joule approximately, and that is the answer to this question. Thank you.